Guys, I just got something like an Uber. And
Yeah,
for
we got,
my
like,
third Uber. I'll
yeah.
show you.
I got a coup.
It's a coup. And
Okay, let's have a look.
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Look.
oh, charge!
We're gonna put that in our bag. Okay. Because I know what to do for it when we get 5 upgrades. So I didn't. She was an Uber. We got like so lucky. We got a coup. Yeah. Oh. Let me show you who is coup. But I don't think coup's in there. Coup. Oh, that one. Coup. I'm not fighting for your sake. Coup. Let loose Megaton Star. Let me find. We got like so lucky.
There's a 5% chance of a Uber.
Yeah, which we
But we got, yeah.
this one.
Coup.
Then it's gonna be coup type Y.
But it's spelled backwards. But I can't really spell it.
You know Mr. B Short, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a reading backwards and an upside down, and it says this. Subscribe if you can read this. Subscribe.
Yeah. We got a coup. That's it.
The one that's like showing.
That one back.
I'll show you. I think she's one of them.
I'm not sure if she can be found there.
Oh, look at the Lugas.
Yeah. We have Papaluga.
Yeah, Papaluga. We're trying to get Tekaluga.
Yeah, he's a boss.
And Nobaluga.
Yeah, Tekaluga's a boss killer. Which we're already on chapter 3 and he likes so. If you don't know his name, it's called Teacher Bun Bun. It's really strong. The Elemental Pixie. Let's see if we can.
Here, I'll show you which one's my favourite out of Elemental Pixie. It's a legend rare.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't believe we just got an Uber. I only got like 3 Ubers now.
Right.
I got like lucky with her.
I think she's better than them two.
No, she cost the same as Little Valkyrie.
Yeah.
Cost the same.
I hope you guys didn't know. She's also a boss killer, but won't hit her like boss.
Yeah, look. She's immune to everything. Papanan and Passaland are good against everything except metal and music.
Now let's start. We're not doing Moon yet.
Yeah, we're not doing that yet.
Why don't we I want to test her out
Yeah, go
in legend stages.
Yeah, legend stages.
Where
Where do you want to go?
all I gotta do is equip her.
Equip her. Go like slot.
We don't need that. Do we need that? Not really.
Basically, we're making a plan to complete chapter 3. Okay.
She is very expensive. Sorry, guys. Right, specials, events, events
I'm
are purple and red.
Yeah, because
Wait.
Coup is an Uber, and Ubers are really rare.
Helpful cat? Wait,
Huh? In the health cat.
okay, go some desert.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe not.
We don't know how to kill a poodle.
The legend stages,
Yeah, but which one?
Earth shape, the hard one. Let me just get some other cats with her.
No. We'll take like Valkyrie with her. Yeah, because who would like a Valkyrie?
Yeah, and my other two cat and all them.
Yeah, our other two Ubers.
And him.
And here comes the best one. I bet you guys didn't know that. Yeah, my friend Leo, he was like so shocked when we was like so shocked with this. We got like
That
so
one.
we got very lucky. Oh my god!
Yeah. It'll take like long. It won't take.
Oh yeah, I forgot the money.
Well, I'm not spawning anything like now. Or these enemies are like weak.
Yeah.
Hopefully no black doja spawns randomly.
Yeah, because normally strong enemies can't spawn when you hit their base.
Yeah, in a certain amount of health.
Yeah, and
It's best if we have
if you
the
have like
armor.
a really strong cat, how happy it is, basically it's like, it would spawn one shot hit. Right, quick.
We're making a video. Wait.
No, Valkyries! Right. Valkyrie's time to shame. Now we've got her. Now it's her. Valkyrie's time to shine.
Yeah, I really want the Harmut cat, but you gotta keep the different bum bums.
Oh yeah, because Bum Bum can like 5 hit that colossal banking.
Right, let's kill that all them. Two. Oh, she is quite fast.
No, last stage.
Very cringe. Maybe there's got to be like, maybe Q.
Oh! What?
Q's so good. Q's really good. I bet.
But she does get knocked back easily.
Yeah.
But it's okay. We just hit the base!
Paslan.
What? Who cares about that thing? Right, go now, Valkyrie, yes!
Get it?
Oh yeah.
Here's all of ours. Right, all these cats, Ubers, and legendaries to shine. Right, sorry about last video.
Because basically it was like a rig like now and
It was like a mess.
yeah. Now we got cut down
All of our good cats to
the
shine.
bit. Now it's all got cut down to bits.
Yes! Box it. Let's see, Gamanto. Get back there. What do we do?
Not this one.
Nope.
I'm like, nor this one.
It's this one. It's this one.
We're not doing this one, we're doing this one. Oh,
Time to upgrade. Oh, cool.
yeah, cool. I'm on Yeah, Q's gonna be like so cool. So lit. Right. If you're my friend called Nick and your name is Leo, you should be like, wow! That we got on Uber. You should be like that, Leo. Ubers are really good. Yeah. Because if you like, they're so stupid. If you think Ubers are stupid, literally, you don't know how to play this game. Because Ubers are like, all of those have area attack. Wait, yeah, he does. She has, that little cute girl has area. Listen, Ubers are nearly the rarest to get. Because we got like so lucky with Banky. Yeah, I got a legendary first. Then Papa Land, then she, then Valkyrie, then Q. Yeah. Q's are my preferred Uber. We got like lucky with her. Also, we got super lucky with little Valkyrie. Look at that. She's immune to everything and she's gonna get zombies. Yeah, she has barrier breaker, but what does warp do? What do these two do? Oh, that's knockback. This one is wave. What does waves do? Oh yeah, waves. Yeah, she's immune to waves. That's a wave attack. Yeah. Yeah. We just got like so lucky. Cave time. Then we got a little Valkyrie, then Papa, and thank you. Yeah, I literally love Coon. Wait, Leo, yeah. If you're watching this, I think you might want another Uber. I know you have a Luger, you have Neko Luger, the main Luger. Oh no! Oh no! All by herself! She's dying. Just kill her! No! Right. For my little Valkyrie. Who's dead? All because of that thing. Him. Yeah. So annoying. Who likes scoring? Literally no one knows. He likes scoring. He has a really good meme shield. He's like this. Right. Only if Monica and Valkyrie was like a Uber, a Bahamut. Yeah, but that's special. Yeah, they're alright specials. But if they were Ubers, I might be like so surprised about this. By the way, thank you. No, little Valkyrie! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, she's killing everything. Oh, no! Wait, not anymore. Right. Cool. So we're trying to upgrade Q. If you're watching this video, you can still get Q or Max Shag. You still can get Q. It's just an event. I'll show you what event. Galaxy Gales. We only have Q from the Galaxy Gales. Because usually what we do first was Kotsoka, but it's Q this time.
Which? It's Neon 9.
How is it Neon not?
Oh no, ain't good. Neon 9. Because when there's a Neon 9, curse revives. Right, if you want to know what's Neon 9, none of your business. Yes, none of your business. Yeah, because none of your business to know what's Neon 9.
Yeah.
That's none of your business. Yeah. Yeah, if you're in the team, yeah, you can know. Yeah, because if people who are not in the team or not watching this, you can't know it. Because you go, hey, you're not, hey, you, then it will go spreading. Then we don't want that. So, we're not telling.
Yeah.
Yeah, none of your business. No way, none of your business. We're doing like stories of legends. Right, bring them all back. Ads.
Get ready to rumble! Match Rumble! 50 players, only one wins. Make the right move. Climb the ranks. Outplay others. Become the last master standing and win exclusive rewards. Do you have what it takes? Play now.
This is the reason I hate ads. They like always show up. They're just annoying. Thank you. This might take ages. I'm just gonna go get something. Right, this is like taking forever. Why do they cost like all this? Why not? Hey, the base. Oh, Mango! My favourite! Actually, did you know Mango's massive too? Yeah! Huh? We got 7. Skydon.
chocolate. Yeah? Yeah. What juice? Chocolate. Gabi? O que tá fazendo? Não fala assim pra vovó não. É feio. Oh, não. Vovó é boazinha, beautiful, né? É, vovó love you. Não fala assim pra vovó não. Vovó fica triste, vovó cai.
Right. Our legendary are only one to survive. Sorry guys, 2 is a very long time. We're using her. Wait, I didn't know that. Where did you find that, brother?
The hidden room.
Okay. Where's the hidden room? Oh, there. Okay.
Now what's next? Sugar Struggle. Gonna go for that one. Okay. Definitely I'm not going for that one because I don't resemble a strong enemy. Demons Night Out. Oh, that is strong. Guys, I kind of want to start the video, so bye.